Is your Insignia Fire TV screen stuck, frozen, or completely unresponsive? You're pressing buttons on the remote, but nothing happens. Don't panic. This is a very common issue with Fire TVs. In this video, I'll show you quick and effective solutions to fix the frozen screen problem and get your Fire TV running smoothly again. Step 1. Restart your Fire TV. The first step is a simple restart. Often, a frozen screen is caused by temporary glitches. Take your Fire TV remote and hold down the select button and the play/pause button together for about 5 seconds. This will force your Fire TV to restart. If your screen unfreezes after this, congratulations. Problem solved. If not, let's move to the next solution. Step 2. Power cycle the TV. If the restart doesn't work, it's time to power cycle. Unplug your Insignia Fire TV from the power outlet. Wait at least 60 seconds to fully discharge the power. Plug it back in and turn it on. This clears out minor system bugs and usually fixes frozen or stuck screens. Step 3. Check remote response. Sometimes, the TV looks frozen, but the problem is with your remote. Replace the batteries in your Insignia Fire TV remote. Try using the Fire TV app on your smartphone as a remote. If the TV responds with the app, but not with your remote, you need to pair or replace the remote. Step 4. Clear cache and force stop apps. Frozen screens often happen because apps crash or take up too much memory. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Select the app that keeps freezing. Choose Clear Cache or Force Stop. This helps free up memory and prevents your TV from locking up again. Step 5. Software update. Outdated software can also cause freezing issues. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, check for updates. If an update is available, install it. Keeping your Fire TV updated ensures better stability and fewer glitches. Step 6. Factory reset. If none of the previous fixes work, the last option is a factory reset. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, Reset to Factory Defaults. Remember, this will erase all your apps and settings, so use this only if nothing else works. After the reset, your Insignia Fire TV will be like brand new. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix your Insignia Fire TV frozen screen problem quickly. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Fire TV fixes and smart TV tips. Also, let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.